This can be hotter than you think. That was brutal. Soviet Heroes Memorial. Soviet heroes after Soviet heroes. You think you've seen it all. There's always more. Two nights ago, along this river, people were celebrating the election victory of Peter Magyar. First order of business, gonna go across that river, through that bridge, get some traditional Hungarian food for lunch. The place I'm gonna go first is gonna be near the Parliament building. Then, eventually we're gonna have to make it to that communist statue park that's back on this side of the river. Here we are at the famous Parliament building. All right, here we are. All right, try that out. It's good.
Cheers.
Cheers. We are good Hungarian wine, Egri Bikavér. It's a smooth one. All right, we got a small starter of bread, onion, bacon. Of course, we got a little paprika on here. Got a little garlic in there too. All right, we got our goulash soup. It's got your dumplings in there. A little taste of it first. Add a little spice to it. Just a little.
You can mix it. It's my favorite paprika, the cream and the soup, and mix together. It's so nice.
Let's try this one first.
Yes. And you can eat the bread also together with the soup.
Yeah.
It's so good.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Gonna work our way up in spice. That's flavorful. That was hot. That was hot right where it concentrated. You want to not go overboard with this. This can be hotter than you think. Have a little bread here. They don't joke about the heat level with that stuff right there. Do not go overboard. Here we go. All right, we got our main dish, perkolt, dumplings and the beef stew. It's the most Hungarian thing you can think of. Let's try this out. Oh, gotta give it that. Oh yeah, that is what you gotta have when you get to this country. On the house, Hungarian schnapps.
Golden apple.
Nice.
Just one shot, and after I recommend you the water because it's strong.
All right, Hungarian schnapps. Wow. Yeah, it's just like that stuff I just had in Slovakia. That was brutal. First order of business before we go to the statue park. We get a little souvenir that I'm going to bring home. Yes, the famous Egri Bikavér wine. Bring that home. All right. Let me just stash the wine away. Let me get the jacket. It's a little colder than I thought today. Cabs here to the statue park.
Right side, the Budapest Castle.
There we go. Budapest Castle. Here we are. The statue park. What do we got here? Soviet Heroes Memorial. The Soviet Heroes Memorial. See, I like they have multiple languages telling you what each statue is, or memorial. Another Soviet Heroes Memorial. Soviet heroes. More Soviet heroes. Soviet heroes after Soviet heroes. Look at this. This is the Park of Soviet Heroes. Liberation Monument. Liberation. There's Soviet Heroes Memorial. Look at the other side, getting bigger statues over there. This is just the small stuff. Gotta give a hats off to Hungary for preserving all this. This is awesome. Another World War II, Great Patriotic War, the Soviet Union. This one, Hungarian-Soviet Friendship Memorial. Yes, friendship with the Hungarian Communist Party. Lenin, right here. We have Dimitrov. Here we have a monument to the heroes of the workers' movement. And right over there, once again, the man himself, Lenin. Yeah, this statue park is pretty cool. But here we go, take a look. Really don't want to leave here right now. Oh, you gotta check out these postcards. Communism, it's a party. Of course, we got USSR. It's like an old Soviet phone book. Here we are. Check it out. As you come out of the park, this side, we got, we believe to be the boots of Stalin. What was left of a Stalin statue. We check this out. And of course you got the opposite end of the spectrum with a poster, a billboard of Viktor Orban by the side of the road, just across the street from the statue park. But we can't miss all this stuff back here. More statues. You think you've seen it all. There's always more. As you can tell, they threw paint all over the Orban billboard, which is desecrated, having the celebrations of the election. People are tired of him. All right, back in the city. There's only one thing we're gonna do before we end this. That's right, Langos. There you go. Can't go without a Langos. Sour cream cheese on a fried dough. And you need a little soda with something like this. Pure heaven.